you guys, welcome back to a new episode of Roots of Barbering tutorial. So MJ and me want to thank you guys for tuning in, for the new subscribes and for the new followings on Instagram. Thank you very much. And today we have a topic where I will explain how what kind of different techniques you got for holding your scissor, because it will increase your workflow and also it will relax your whole posture of your body and everything. It's just a tip and trick, you know, for what you can use as well for the future, or maybe you cannot use it, but you know, let's not wait, let's tune in for it. Here we go. So you guys, I will show you guys a little bit of the techniques. What I really saw during my travelings, there was some issues with people with holding their scissor in the right way, so it's also relaxing. What I saw was a lot of this work like that, yeah. But look how my hand is. It's kind of like really hampered and is really not relaxing, because you will get like really hard issues with your wrist and all that kind of thing. So I developed a little bit of a different technique, and I learned in school, you know, how to do a proper way, and this is the normal way how you do it. So not with the whole hand, no, only with your thumb, yeah. This is how you learn in school, and you can also point cut like this, and then you rest the point of the scissor on your finger so you won't cut in the top of the finger here. But what I did, especially because I'm so small, I developed a different, and that is cut underneath, yeah. I know in Fidel Sassoon they do it also. I think with they do it like that, something like that, with a small scissor. I don't like it, because if you show the movement like that, it's way easier for the transition. You see that? Check. Yeah. That's way easier. So, again, underneath, or you can point cut. Yeah. So, again, this is the normal way, and this is the other way. Yeah. So for the top side, yeah, same procedure, yeah. But what I learned, guys, is not cut with your point, because you got your fingers. If you don't have your fingers straight enough, yeah, you will get a dip into the top, so you will get kind of like a wavy kind of thing. And what I learned them as well is use your whole blade from the back and then to the front. It's way consistent, yeah, look. Then when you do with the point, because then you don't got no reference, yeah. See that? So if you do that with the whole blade, look, it's way straighter. I will show you a little bit how you can point cut as well. So you got the 45 degrees cutting. Yeah, it's like this. So you would take off the hair. But you also got the deep cutting, and that's 90 degrees. Yeah. So you got 45, so you're taking hair off and you're making a little bit of a fluid kind of, how do you say that? That shape, so everything, when everything is dried out, the shape will flow better with each other, instead of when it's straight, the hair just is really bulky, yeah. And afterwards you can also do with a blending scissors, so it even flows better into the hair. And deep cutting, point cutting, is 90 degrees, so it's kind of like a little bit of thinning. I don't like the word thinning, but it's more like texture, put texture in it. But you gotta be always in the 90 position, because then you don't chop off no hair, but you really go into the hair, or in half of the hair, the length of the hair. I can go as deep as I want it to, but I won't take any length out of it, right? So you guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of how to hold your scissor in your hand, and I hope to see you the next time with Roots of Barbering tutorials. MJ and me want to thank you for tuning in, and see you the next time. See you later.